Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying the case and phone match. Magsafe works only with compatible magnets. You want a clean, metal-free surface and a known good Magsafe charger ready. Once done, remove any stickers or cards from the case and wipe the interior so magnets and contact points are visible. You should also enable airplane mode or power off to avoid wireless interference while you test magnetic alignment and charging behavior. You now test alignment by placing the Magsafe charger on the case. It should snap into a centered ring with minimal lateral play. Make sure the magnet ring aligns with the iPhone camera and charging coil. Use a flashlight to reveal gaps or foreign debris. Once aligned, put the phone on the charger at low battery and watch for charging confirmation. If charging starts but is unstable, note if repositioning improves contact and whether heat increases significantly. Finish by observing charge rate and case temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure consistent behavior. You should verify with a second known Magsafe charger and without the case to isolate whether the case or charger is at fault. If charging is slow, intermittent, or the case feels warped, inspect for displaced magnets or internal adhesive failure. If you still have trouble, contact the case maker for warranty or exchange. One key tip: swapping chargers quickly isolates charger versus case faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.